You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. A member of the K-pop group EXO. Alright, so let's break down the pronunciation in Korean first and then how to say it in English. Now, if you want to learn more names from K-pop and other group members' name, make sure to stay tuned. In Korean, in South Korea, it's pronounced as Baekhyun. Baekhyun. Now, in English, it's more simply generally referred to or pronounced as Baekhyun. 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 Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.